So today we are going to start the question answers of chapter role of government in health. Two questions already we people have discussed and some are left. So let's start with the question answers. Yes, Bhavya, next question, bache.
Yes, ma'am. What differences do you find between private and public health services in your area? Use the following table to compare and contrast these.
Okay, simple. Difference between public healthcare services and private healthcare services. I guess this is a question which actually does not need book. This we can frame on our own. So let's start from all of you one by one. Any one of you, those who want to give points regarding public, yeah, private, one by one, we have to proceed. Yes, who would like? Yes, Bani. Yes, bache, first point.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, private hospitals are expensive in as compared to public hospitals.
Okay.
People cannot afford the expenses of a private hospital.
One by
Many
one.
facilities-
Bani, one by one, beta. 1 point you have given, right? So let me start with the starting point. Then people can proceed. First point is, say public hospital we are talking about. Public hospitals are run, operated, governed by government. Okay? And private hospitals are run, owned and operated by private individual. One person or group of individual. First point is okay. The second point given by Bani, that is correct. That is public hospitals are cheap, facilities are cheap, and private hospitals are very expensive. Third point coming to Sohana. Yes, Sohana.
Quality of services is not much good in public hospitals. Quality
Okay.
of services is very good in private hospitals.
That's right. Quality of services that is extraordinarily good in private hospitals, but it is not so good in public hospitals. Fourth point coming to Rishita.
Yes, ma'am. All the facilities are provided in the private hospitals and not all the facilities are provided in the public hospitals.
Okay, that's correct. But what kind of facilities we are talking about, Rishita? What kind of facilities we are talking about, Rishita? Okay. Point is correct
Ma'am,
otherwise.
like medical facilities.
Medical facilities means what? How? What kind of facilities? Like?
Ma'am, in the private hospitals, they are given proper and clean beds
Okay. Yes.
and a private room.
Okay. In the private hospitals, we have the facility of ACs, we have the facility of refrigerators, we have the facility of TVs and all that. But the such facilities are not commonly found in public hospitals. That's correct. What else? Coming to Kanav. Kanav.
Ma'am, private hospitals are so much neat and clean, and they have proper sanitization facilities.
Uh-huh. And
Ma'am,
such facilities, public hospitals, we don't have such facilities. Okay. Private hospitals are extremely neat and clean. Sanitation facilities are up to mark, but such conditions are not exactly and actually found in private public hospital. Okay. What else? What else? Anyone else want to add some? Sohana, you want to say
I mean,
something?
private hospitals, people have to wait in long. People do not have to wait in long queues, but in public hospital, people have to wait.
Okay. In private hospital, patients are welcomed by the authorities, we can say, by the owner, we can say. There are no long queues, but in public hospitals, it's not, nothing is like this. People have to stand for long hours to have turn. Yes, beta. Next is. Yes, pick up.
There is rush at public hospitals.
There is rush at public hospital. There is no rush at private hospital. No.
Poor people can't afford the expense of public hospital.
Poor people can't go to the public hospitals. Private hospitals. Yes.
Private
What else?
hospitals.
Yes, right. What else?
Sometimes beds are not available in public hospitals.
Public hospitals. Okay. What else?
private
Even
hospitals
the
have modern technology
yes,
and modern machinery.
yes, private hospitals have much more advanced technology, modern machinery they are having as compared to public hospitals. Enough points? 8, 9, 10 points are enough. Now,
Yes,
how many of you think that we have given all these points by taking help from the book? Raise your hand. You have taken the points from your book. Raise your hand, those who think so. None of you. It means in this chapter, we don't have to learn anything actually. Samrat Mahindru, kindly switch off your speaker, beta. In this chapter is totally practical chapter. Practical chapter means whatever we people see around us in either private hospital or public hospitals, what same point you people have given to me. So perfectly a template point. So 8 or 9 points are they all points you are supposed to do on your notebook. ठीक है जी. Coming to next last question, I guess so. Puranjay, last question, बच्चे. Last question. You have?
Can I speak?
Yes, Sohana, speak up. Bhavya, speak up.
Ma'am Bhavya.
Yes.
Improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Explain with the help of examples.
Improvement in water and sanitation can control so many diseases. Explain with the help of example. Who would like to give answer of this question? Sohana is the only girl who wants to give answer. Rest of you, is it so difficult question? Yes, Sohana.
Many people fall ill because of the dirty water. Water has many minerals. If clean water is provided, people will not face waterborne diseases such as diarrhea. Improvement in sanitization. In slum areas, the condition of sanitization is worse. Various diseases spread because of dirty surroundings. If sanitation will be best, then diseases such as fever will not spread through
Okay.
mosquitoes. It is the duty of general public as well as the government to keep surroundings clean, green, and neat.
Your answer, whatever points you have given, that is 101% correct. But Sohana, there was some doubt in the presentation. Presentation means how you are speaking the answer. It means how would you write down the answer, that matters. So whatever point you have given, that is correct. If I say, okay, just listen means what is presentation and all that, let's understand the meaning of it. For example, if I say Sohana is a girl and she's tall girl, she's beautiful girl, she's in 7th standard, and she's a friend of this and that. Do you think it is a proper elaboration? No. Proper elaboration means we have to proceed properly. Like Sohana Jain is a girl studying in 7C. She is one of the, for example, I have no idea about you people, but she is a very attentive student in the class. She always provide answers up to mark, something like that, in a systematic order. So Sohana, repeat the answer. I'll rectify the answer. Yes.
Improvement in water. Many people fall ill because of the dirty water. Water
Okay.
has many minerals. If
So
clean water,
first point is, we are talking about which point? Heading is?
improvement in water.
So first is neat and clean water. So question kya hai, Sona? Kindly repeat the question, then the answer would be clear to you, all of you. Repeat the question.
Improvement in water and sanitization can control many diseases. Explain with the help of examples.
Improvement in water and sanitization can control many diseases. Explain with the help of example. So first of all, you have to start answer like this. In India, people suffer from number of waterborne diseases as well as diseases which are caused due to unhygienic environment. Okay. Then you have to elaborate first of all, yeah, collectively. Waterborne disease and sanitation. Usko collectively you can elaborate. Like you have given the example of water. In our country, so and so many people, they don't have fresh, neat and clean drinking water. So whatever water they consume automatically. From due to that, number of waterborne diseases they suffer. Getting beta? Sohana, getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, I guess, you're getting me how to attempt the answer. No? So number of people are suffering from number of waterborne disease. Now carry on with the answer, Sohana. Carry on.
Water has many minerals. If clean water is provided, people will not face waterborne diseases such as diarrhea.
So waterborne diseases, people are not having proper neat and clean water, and that's why they're suffering from number of diseases, for example, diarrhea. Okay? Coming to
Okay,
next
ma'am.
point now. Come to next point now.
Improvement in sanitization. In slum areas, the condition of sanitization is worse.
Okay. Next is sanitization. इसको इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं लिखना. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर टेलिंग देम द प्रॉब्लम, then we'll come to the result of that, then we'll come to the solution of that. So in our country, problem of sanitation is the worst problem. People, particularly poor people, they don't have proper sanitation facility. They are living in a dirty environment, unhygienic environment. That's why they are suffering from, again, number of diseases. Now carry on with the answer. Sohana, carry on with the answer now.
Various diseases spread because of dirty surroundings.
For example, dengue,
Fever.
malaria, fever, yes, okay.
Plague.
Very right, okay. Carry on.
If sanitization will be the best, then diseases such as these, which spread through mosquitoes, will not be there.
Okay, if we'll keep our surrounding clean, if we keep our surrounding clean in the sense if there's no dirt, we don't allow any unhygienic conditions to exist, and automatically we will be able to save ourselves from diseases. Same is with the water. Haji, that's anything else, Sohana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because
It's not only the duty of government to clean the surroundings, but we general people also have some responsibilities.
Very right. It is not at all the duty of the government to keep our surrounding clean and neat and clean, but it is a duty. It is our duty. General people, we won't use the word, but it is our duty to keep our surroundings neat and clean if we want to remain healthy. If we want to have disease-free life, we are supposed to keep ourselves in a clean and neat environment. Danji, any doubt in this question now? All of you clear with the answer? Okay. So, okay. Nitya, some problem is from your side, beta, regarding your speaker. Okay. Yes. So, chapter is over. Question answers are over, I guess. Nothing is left now. Yes, Sana. So, bache, again, I'm telling you, I'm not getting your notebooks. Number of times yesterday, even today again, I'm telling you, kindly submit your notebooks. It was given in your homework also, and time by time within the class also. Keep on declaring this. I'm not getting your notebook. What would happen later on? We'll get less marks. Then you would be the sufferer. So I don't want you should score less marks. ठीक है जी?
मैम
जी बच्चे.
मैम मैंने आपको नोटबुक भेजी थी मैम, मेरे को अभी तक मिली नहीं मैम, चेक हो गए.
बेटा जी कब भेजी थी? If it is day before yesterday, I've sent all back. If it is yesterday only, still I haven't checked.
मैम मैंने आपको एक बार कल भी भेजी थी मैम, एक बार कल से पहले भी भेजी थी मैम,
कनव
दोबारा मैम ने लिख के
रीनेम किया था बेटा पीडीएफ पे. Have you renamed it?
मैम मैंने पीडीएफ पे तो नहीं लिखा था, नीचे लिख दिया था मैम साथ में ही नेम.
पीडीएफ को रीनेम करो बेटा जी, ग्रुप में डालो फिर. ठीक है, नोट पर्सनल नंबर, सेंड इट इन अ ग्रुप, then only I'll check your notebook. ठीक है. So 2 chapters of civics we have done, 1 chapter of history we have done, and I have checked half of the notebooks only of first chapter of history. I have given the time to you. Till Saturday, your notebook should reach to me. Now I'm going to start with the topic that is of geography, and the topic is our environment. I repeat, first topic of geography I'm going to start, that is our environment. Kindly all of you switch off your speakers. It is not required right now. Whenever requirement would be there, I'll let you know. Otherwise, थोड़ी बहुत disturbance also create disturbance in whole of the class. Kanav, kindly switch off your speaker, बच्चे. Okay, कर लिया सभी ने? That's good. Good students. Okay. Topic is environment. Any one of you, let me know about your environment right now. Your environment. Any one of you? Yes, Jasmine, go on. Yes, Jasmine.
मैम आई वांट टू आस्क दैट कॉपीज किस कहाँ पे सेंड करने हैं, आपके पर्सनल नंबर पे?
No, not at all in personal number, group में बच्चे. Only in
मैम
the
ग्रुप में मैं ऐड नहीं हूँ. मैम
Okay,
ग्रुप में मैं ऐड नहीं हूँ.
Okay, बच्चे, later on you can get the contact number of Puranjay. He has made it and you can be added, right? ठीक है? Okay, now my question is, what is environment? Tell me something about your environment where you are sitting right now. Or what is
The
environment?
surrounding,
It
the
is?
surroundings around us is called environment.
Okay, surroundings around us is called environment. Can we live without our surrounding?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. Kindly switch off your speaker. Make it on whenever requirement is
Environment
there.
is our basic life support system.
Okay. Life's support system. What is support system? What is support system? Yes, Nitya.
Yes, ma'am.
What is support system?
To give support to anyone.
To give support to anyone. Okay. Switch off your speaker, bache, Nitya. Yes. Whatever you see around yourself, we say that is environment. Kindly,
Support
Akriti,
system is a
beta, when it is asked, then only you are supposed to speak, please, huh? Okay, I understand you people are at home and some kind of noises definitely would be at home. We can't stop it, but such noises can disturb the class. So that's why I'm telling you, switch on your speaker whenever you ask to do it. Okay? Otherwise, keep it off. आपके लिए है, because disturbance होगी, the whole of the class would be disturbed. I hope you would follow it, because I believe this class is really very good, except sending of the notebooks. So environment is our surrounding. Wherever we live. Wherever we live, it means, as one of you have given the answer, support system. Support system may we basically include without which our life is not possible. Whatever on land we are living, whatever water we are having, whatever air we are breathing, inhaling, whatever food we are eating, whatever circumstances we are living, all fall under environment. Whatever houses we are living, do we have a garden or not? Environment, part of environment. Do we have malls or mills or factories or industries? Environment. Mountains, plateau, plain, environment. In our surrounding, whatever we see around us, environment. Now, I have one question coming in my mind. Whatever is around us is environment. Can we change the environment?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Okay. We cannot change the environment. Okay. Any one of you, same question I'm asking. Can we change the environment? Raise your hand.
मैम
Those
यस, जैसे अगर हम हमारे आसपास जैसे ट्रीज है तो कई लोग उसको काट देते तो एनवायरनमेंट चेंज हो रहा है ऐसे।
perfect. Bhavya, speaker off, beta. I would like to say one thing very important here. Raise your hand. Teacher is saying, okay, bache, speak up, then only speak up. If 2 or 3, I know you people want to give your views, all your views are always welcomed. But if all of you will speak all together, how would I able to understand what you are saying? So just raise your hand. Yes, Kanav. What is it? Can we modify our environment? Yes, beta.
यस मैम, अगर कोई बैरन लैंड है, अगर हम उसमें मैम ट्रीज प्लांट कर देंगे तो मैम देयर विल बी चेंज इन एनवायरनमेंट.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. A barren land is there. If you have grown some plants there, automatically after 2, 3, 4 years, it would turn into trees and it would change the environment. Very right example he has given. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, Harjeet, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
if there is so much dirt around us, so if we will clean, so we will change the environment.
Okay. Yes, ये भी सही है. Arjun?
कारपूल.
Carpool is the
मैम अगर हम अपनी कार्स को मत यूज करें और हम मैम बसेस में जाएं और ट्रेन में जाएं
हाँ फिर
तो मैम तो मैम ज्यादा पोल्यूशन नहीं होएगा.
Pollution नहीं होएगा. Okay, we will be able to modify the environment, है ना? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, definitely all of us are capable to modify the environment, capable to change the environment according to our needs. Now, here very important thing is according to our needs. For example, right now, Ladakh is a well-developed area. People go there as a tourists. And because of that, tourism industry is developing in Ladakh. Because of what? Because of means of transportation which got developed in Ladakh. It's easy for us to go to Ladakh either through land route or through airways. Earlier, in Ladakh, very less number of people were there. Only the local people were there. But after the construction of roads, airways, we are able to go there. We are able to go there. We are going there. And because of our movement, we started going there. We have modified Ladakh. How we have modified Ladakh? In Ladakh, number of hotels, restaurants, ये सारे number of dhabas have opened in Ladakh. क्यों? क्योंकि लोगों ने आना जाना शुरू कर दिया वहां पे. Plus, we have, some of us, not all, but maximum of us have destroyed the scenic beauty of Ladakh, modified environment. We have changed the environment of Ladakh. Same is with modification of environment. If you remember last year, all of us have seen Himalayas from Punjab because of changed environment, no pollution. That is what? If we want, environment can be changed. We are actually responsible for bringing changes in the environment. So yes, environment can be modified. हम environment को आराम से modify कर सकते हैं. So here, what is environment? That is whatever surrounds us. That is environment. And in environment, there are two, there are two components. We can divide the environment to two parts. Biotic environment and abiotic environment. Biotic environment and abiotic environment. Biotic environment, I guess every one of you understand. Biotic, biology, bio hai, living. That is animals, plant life, human beings, biotic. Abiotic, non-living, buildings, hospitals, buses, cars, abiotic environment. Or we can say whole of the environment we can divide into three parts, which we call it as components of environment. So when we talk about the components of environment, we can divide environment's component to three parts: natural, human, human made. बहुत ध्यान से सुना इन तीनों को. Natural, human and human made. Natural environment is that environment which is given to us by nature. For example, land, water, soil, air. These all are natural environment. It's not at all made by us. I can't say land is made by me, water is made by me, soil is made by me. No, we can't say. Natural, made by nature. Human made, that environment which is made by human being. For example, buildings, roads, railways, towers, flyovers, industries, factories, etc. Collectively, we call it as human-made environment. Third, human environment. Now let's talk about human environment. Human environment means our surrounding. That is, Natik Kapoor, disturbance beta. Human environment, it means our surrounding, our family, our neighborhood, our religion, wherever we are living, schools, colleges, our economy, they all collectively known as human environment. Got it? All of you clear? All of you clear? Okay. Next we have next we are going to discuss thoroughly about natural environment. Natural environment means that environment which is made by nature. Under this, we have water, we have air, we have animals, we have plants. These all are made by nature, not at all made by us. Plants we don't make, animals we don't make, land we don't make, water we don't make, air we don't make. They all collectively known as natural environment. Is this point clear? Okay. Next we have under natural environment, the first which we are going to discuss, that is lithosphere. Lithosphere is what? Land. Now, what is lithosphere? You have done in junior 6-6, so I guess you have done. What is lithosphere? Any one of you? Any one of you?
Ma'am, land area.
Land area. Na? Lithosphere is a land area. Lithosphere is the uppermost part of the crust of the earth where you people are sitting and standing. That is lithosphere. And this lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. We know it very well. And this lithosphere is rich in soil. Under this lithosphere, under this crust, we have minerals, we have rocks. And जो crust ऊपर यहाँ पे हम लोग हैं, it is made up of soil. And we know very well. Lithosphere is not at all leveled. ये plain नहीं है. But lithosphere मतलब land, somewhere we have mountains, somewhere we have plateau, somewhere we have plain, somewhere we have this and that. Do you know this lithosphere is useful for one activity only? Do you think it is useful for one activity only? Lithosphere we can perform one activity or number of activities we can
No,
do?
ma'am.
Number of activities?
No,
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
can
for
live, we
farming,
can
Number of
travel.
activities.
Number of activities we can do. For example, we can grow crops. For example, animals can be raised. For example, industries can be made. For example, like we are sitting on the education system can be. Everything we can do only and only on land. That is lithosphere. Second sphere is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere means this is also part of the environment. Hydro means water. So that part of the earth in which there is water, source of water known as hydrosphere. We have various types of hydrosphere. We have rivers, we have oceans, we have seas, we have lakes, we have ponds, etc., etc. So this also form environment. Next we have atmosphere, the sphere through which we inhale air. Or we can say atmosphere is made up of air and gases. Gases say dust particles are there, made up of this. Atmosphere is made up of this. And
thin outermost layer of the
yes, outermost what, Pranjay?
ma'am, the thin outer layer most. Ma'am, the atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surrounded the earth.
Yes, atmosphere is surround us. जो भी हमारे आसपास हवा which you can feel, that is atmosphere. I'm speaking, you are listening. It's due to air, atmosphere. And this atmosphere is attached to earth due to gravitational force of the earth. We know earth has a gravity. So due to gravitational force of the earth, atmosphere is attached to us. And we know very well, in junior classes you might have done, we have various layers in atmosphere. Troposphere, tropopause, है ना, याद है आपको किया हुआ आप लोगों ने? Might have done. So stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, exosphere. So atmosphere also protect us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun, harmful UV rays of the sun. And this atmosphere is made up of gases, nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Made up of dust particle, मिट्टी, हल्के हल्के मिट्टी के कणों से बना हुआ है, and water vapor. Water vapor is presence of water in the air. So ये सब मिलके atmosphere बनाते हैं. And this atmosphere actually essential for our survival. Yeah, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, all are essential for our survival, for the survival of plants, as well as for the survival of animals. Now, next is biosphere. बहुत ही important point. Whenever these three spheres meet with each other, for example, atmosphere is there, lithosphere is there, and hydrosphere is there. Just imagine there is no atmosphere. Litho hai, hydro hai. Can you survive? Answer is no. For example, if there is no hydrosphere, atmosphere is there and lithosphere is there, we can survive. Answer is no. Without hydro, we can't. For example, there is hydrosphere and there is atmosphere, but there is no lithosphere. Can we survive? Answer is no. So all these three are required for our survival, is known as biosphere. Biosphere is a sphere where all these three spheres they meet and they interact, and because of that we are able to live, known as biosphere. All of you clear?